What if I told you this isn't just a truck, it's a full luxury home on wheels that can take you anywhere in the world? Today on RV TourHub, we're diving into the incredible 2026 MAN Motorhome Truck, and trust me, you've never seen anything like this before. Welcome back to RV TourHub. If you love luxury, travel, and freedom, you're in the right place. Let's start from the front side of this beast. The bold and powerful design of the MAN truck immediately grabs attention. With its massive grille, sleek LED headlights, and commanding road presence, it feels more like a futuristic machine than a regular motorhome. This thing is built not just for looks, but for serious performance. Under the hood, the engine is where the magic begins. The 2026 MAN Motorhome Truck comes equipped with a high-performance diesel engine, delivering incredible torque and smooth driving even on tough terrains. Whether you're climbing mountains or cruising highways, this engine ensures power, stability, and reliability all the way. Now let's step inside, and this is where things get exciting. As you enter, you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The living area is beautifully designed with premium materials, soft lighting, and modern furniture. You've got a comfortable sofa, a smart entertainment system, and large windows that bring in natural light, making the space feel open and relaxing. Moving on to the sleeping area, this motorhome offers pure comfort. The bedroom features a spacious king-size bed, stylish decor, and plenty of storage. It's designed to give you that cozy, peaceful feeling after a long day of travel. Some models even include smart climate control so you can sleep comfortably in any weather. Next up is the kitchen, and yes, it's fully equipped. You get a modern cooking setup with a stove, microwave, refrigerator, and even a stylish sink. The cabinets are well designed, giving you plenty of space to store all your essentials. Whether you're making a quick snack or a full meal, this kitchen has everything you need. Now let's talk about the bathroom. This is not your average RV bathroom. It comes with a full-size shower, a modern toilet, and a sleek vanity. Everything is designed with luxury and comfort in mind, giving you a hotel-like experience on the road. One of the most impressive features is the solar system. The 2026 MAN Motorhome Truck is equipped with advanced solar panels, allowing you to generate your own electricity. This means you can travel off-grid without worrying about power. It's perfect for long adventures and eco-friendly living. Finally, let's check out the back side. The rear of this motorhome is just as functional as it is stylish. Some models offer storage for bikes or even a small vehicle. It's all about maximizing space and convenience for your journey. Now the big question. Price. This level of luxury doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization and features, the 2026 MAN Motorhome Truck can range anywhere from $300,000 to over $1 million. Yes, it's expensive, but for what it offers, it's truly a moving dream home. So, would you live in this luxury truck? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to RV TourHub for more amazing RV tours.